This lobster thinks I'm the dinner.
You know the apron stays off, but the heat's always on. Welcome to Winston Cooks.
Split, butter, season, treat it right, it'll treat you back.
Let the fire mark it. Flavor begins where smoke lives.
Whoa, now! Easy! We grilling lobsters, not launching.
A few moments later.
Red shells, golden char. This is the moment they come alive with flavor.
Fire gives power. Butter gives soul. Together, perfection.
Sweet from the sea, kissed by fire. This is lobster at its finest.
Big flavor, big soul. I'm Winston, and I cook from the chest. If it made you hungry, like, share, and follow.